do, I would look at the sheet that I gave you that has, I think there are 6 of these ray diagrams. You will be asked, you'll be given information, you'll be given a picture like this, you'll be asked to draw the ray diagram and solve the math. So I'm just going to do this as a sample. Remember, this is online, so you don't have to copy all this down. This is just an example. So, no, 1. All 1. There are 6 total possible.
And we don't know which one.
You do not know. In fact, I don't really know until I decide. So. All right. So I'll give you the focal length and the object distance in this particular case, and I want you to find image distance and magnification.
An object distance is the distance from the actual object to the mirror?
Yep. So focal length in this case would be from the focal point to the lens, and that's 10, and the object distance, this is the object, is 4. So do you see why that's the way they look?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm not going to review this. I'm just going to go through this as the process that you should go through. This one's tough because of this funky ray right here. Where will, a ruler wouldn't hurt. Where will those 2 light rays meet? In virtual land. And why is it that you remember that? Yeah. Oh, thanks. All right. Yeah. It's one of those things, like I got an email from a U of M physics professor about sheep and virtual land. It's kind of snotty. Okay, in my mind, I read it as being kind of snotty. Like, there is no such thing as virtual land. Why do all these St. Joe kids come to my engineering classes and talk about virtual land? I'm like, well, yeah. Exactly my point. Thank you. Thank you. No, but then at the bottom of the email, he said something nice, like, just, JK, thanks for sending such great kids. They're well prepared. Like, JK, oh, you hip physics professor. All right. So be able to draw the diagram and also be able to solve for it. The only tricky thing here, guys, the equations are going to be given. So 1 over F equals 1 over DI plus 1 over DO. So you'd put in 1 over 10 equals 1 over DI plus 1 over 4. You will get a negative answer for that, which is right, because virtual images are negative. So that's the only tricky thing that you may want to review is the whole positive negative. Okay?
So it's virtual is negative and demagnified?
If it's demagnified, it's less than 1. If it's flipped, it's negative. Yeah. So we might practice a few of these after school because these take a little bit of review. Yes, sir? I don't know. Yes, that is correct. Yep, that's correct. I got 6.7 if we use 2 sig figs. Negative 6.7. That's fine. That's fine.